Could portable mortgages help reduce foreclosures by allowing distressed homeowners to transfer their low rate to a new, more affordable home?
Absolutely. A portable mortgage will absolutely cut the foreclosure, the data by half or more,
Wow.
because that borrower will be able to port their mortgage they currently have into the new property and save them tens of thousands in closing costs, saves them so much as far as keeping the same rate they currently have right now. Because I guarantee you, all these borrowers today that purchased a property 5, 6, 7 years ago, they have rates of 2-3% right now. Why in the world would I want to go and sell my property to them to go get a 7% interest rate?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Tim Jones of Foreclosure.com. Today, I'm joined with Christopher Tapia here at the Compass headquarters in Boca Raton, Florida. Christopher, thank you so much for having us here today.
Thank you for coming. Very excited for you guys to be here today.
Awesome. Well, I'm excited to talk about this topic today about portable mortgages.
I know it's something that we don't have here in the United States right now, but I believe it will be coming soon. So we'd love to start sharing the world about it, because let's hope that it does come in 2026.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's dive in. So
let's do it.
What is a portable mortgage and how does it differ from an assumable mortgage?
So portable mortgages is a type of a home loan that allows the borrower to be able to use the existing mortgage that they have and literally transfer that mortgage into the new property. So you'll be able to transfer the existing mortgage to a new property and as they sell their current property. So that's going to benefit in so many different ways. You stay with the same rate, basically almost the same payment, unless the property is worth more. You have to come out a difference for it. But the whole benefit about it is that you'll be able to stay with the same term, same program, and be able to afford it and be able to, again, move to the next destination that you're looking to move to.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why hasn't the U.S. widely adopted portable mortgages yet? And what would it need to change for them to become mainstream?
Great question. I mean, I don't want to really badmouth what's happening, but I believe that the reason why portable mortgages are not really here in the U.S. is because they're not really profitable for lenders. Because you're, as a borrower, having a current mortgage and that's looking to purchase another property here in the U.S., you would have to sell the property and then purchase a new loan in order to purchase another property. And different places like in Europe or in the UK, they use the existing mortgage that they have and literally port it into the new current property that they're going to be looking to purchase. So literally they just transfers the existing mortgage into the new mortgage. Okay. And they would have to come out the difference to pay the difference if the property is worth more than the current one they have.
Okay, so how would a portable mortgage impact people stuck in like golden handcuffs or low interest rates who can't afford to move right now?
That's exactly what this is all about. You'll be able to port your own mortgage into the new property that they're going to be purchasing. But unfortunately, we don't have that program here right now in the United States. But I have heard that they're in talks about, because if we are able to do a portable mortgage here in the United States, it's going to save probably 30 or 40% of individuals that have mortgages today and be able to finally be able to move to the destination that they want to move to.
Yeah.
Because right now they're stuck.
Yeah.
They can't go anywhere because rates are literally double, even triple of what they currently have right now.
Yeah, I've heard that a lot. Either people want to downsize or upsize. They're not moving because
Absolutely.
they don't have that. They don't want to lose their interest rates.
So they have
golden handcuffs.
So the benefits about this property, the portable mortgage, is it has the interest rate preservation, the cost savings, the simplicity of the whole aspect of it, because it simplifies the financing process by just by moving the new home, moving the mortgage to a new home as easy as that.
Okay.
So it really is a benefit. That's why it's so it's so amazing to have this program, but unfortunately we don't have it here in the United States right now, but we're gonna get it. We're eventually gonna get it.
Okay, I like your confidence. So could portable mortgages help reduce foreclosures by allowing distressed homeowners to transfer their low rate to a new, more affordable home?
Absolutely. A portable mortgage will absolutely affect, will cut the foreclosure, the data by half or more. Wow. Because that borrower will be able to port their mortgage they currently have into the new property and save them tens of thousands in closing costs, saves them so much as far as keeping the same rate that they currently have right now. Because I guarantee you, all these borrowers today that purchased a property 5, 6, 7 years ago, they have rates of 2-3% right now. Why in the world would I want to go and sell my property to them to go get a 7% interest rate?
Yeah.
So that's why most people are stuck at home until they get a chance to move. Once, if this portable mortgage comes into play, a lot of borrowers, a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers will definitely jump on that.
Okay. So what would this mean for investors? Would portability be investor friendly?
If the investor has a property on their own and they consider that as their primary residence, for example, it could be an investor owning their own primary residence.
Got it.
And they could transfer that property to their new home.
Okay.
But portable mortgages are not really meant for investment properties. And again, they're mostly meant for primary resident owners.
Got it.
So mostly meant for individuals that are looking to get out of their primary residence by moving, so they need to port their mortgage and transfer it to the new property.
So similar to assumable mortgages.
Assumable mortgages.
Okay,
correct.
they're not really created for investors, but more for people that are trying to.
Because with assumable loans, you're taking over somebody else's mortgage.
Okay.
With portable mortgages, you're taking over your own mortgage and transferring it to the new property.
Now, this is a side subject, but just because we're in the Compass headquarters, how does that benefit real estate agents that are trying to get more business?
My goodness, it would help tremendously. I mean, to have the ability of a borrower utilize his own credit worthiness, his own terms, his own interest rates, and be able to transfer that to a new mortgage, to a new home, that's going to skyrocket the sales
Wow.
for real estate here in Florida or anywhere in the nation.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So if portable mortgages were introduced in the U.S., do you think it would be successful?
Absolutely. It would be I believe it would be one of the most successful programs that the United States has ever allowed to have here in the U.S. because, having a portable mortgage is going to save half of our nation and being able to be freed and being able to move and be able to do all the things that they can't do because they're stuck at home because they can't afford to move because rates are just too high.
Wow.
Yeah.
Christopher, this is great information. I
Absolutely.
really appreciate it. Do you have anything else you want to mention to the audience?
Yeah, I mean, if you have any questions or any concerns regarding how portable mortgages could help you, and obviously we'll let you know in the future when these potential portable mortgages will be available in the United States. You can always reach out to me directly at 561-305-6794. You can also email me at chris.tapia, Tapia, @compass.com. So, and again, any questions, please reach out to us.
Fantastic. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Chris, again, I appreciate this information.
Thank you.
If you made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. That helps the YouTube algorithm make sure that this video gets seen by everybody out there. And at the same time, if you're interested in looking at distressed properties across the country, make sure to sign up for our free foreclosure alerts at foreclosure.com/alert. That way you can get these types of properties sent directly to your inbox. Until next time, I'm Tim Jones, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.